The hottest topic the last years is the circular economy. Everybody knows why. Yes, we have the problem with plastics waste, we have the problem with energy, and that's my question. What are your goals in your way to sustainability? You mentioned today about the energy transformation, about the product carbon print and all.
So first of all, thank you very much for the opportunity, and dzień dobry to all readers of Plastic. You ask about our circular approach to plastics. It has two elements. It has, number one, the decarbonization of the product. That means you have to save a lot of CO2 in the production of plastics. And it also has the element of circularity, where we want to achieve a full circularity of our plastics. Both ends, you need to look at it. It's the decarbonization of the material and the decarbonization also of the process itself.
How is related your presence with these issues at this year's K show? I mean, what are the main highlights of your presence in Düsseldorf in October?
Now, you've seen our presentation this year will comprise all life cycle phases of the material. The make phase, the use phase, and the recycle phase. So in a way, what is new is that we look at the beginning, at the end of the life of a plastic, and not only at the performance during the use phase. That will be the main theme, and you will see highlights how we bring this to life in really real-life examples, and how can customers benefit from it.
Today, you mentioned about the waste plastics problem, about recycling of plastics. Please tell me, because you are one of the leaders of the chemical recycling, what role plays today chemical recycling plays today in the industry? It is a supplement for mechanical recycling. It is a future of this.
Now, you see, today it is not used at scale. Yeah, it's rather new. If you talk about recycling, we have to admit number one is that actually a low amount of plastics is today recycled. Even in Europe, a low amount is. This has to do also with the limitations of mechanical recycling. Mechanical recycling is fantastic, but it has limitations. It has limitations in waste stream, as well as in the specification of the end product. And this is where, as a complement, chemical recycling comes in. It can handle waste streams that mechanical recycling cannot handle, and it can produce specifications and virgin specifications that mechanical recycling cannot. So it complements that end, and it needs to be developed at scale.
And the last question, it's especially for me, what do you expect in October in Düsseldorf?
Number one, I'm looking forward really to personal participation. You know, we have been suffering all through Corona, through this absence of personal context. So I really expect a very vivid discussion among customers, partners, but also critical voices like NGOs, consumers. So I'm really looking to a very vivid discussion, because plastic is a topic that concerns all of us. We're all users, we're all consumers, but as an industry, we also have a particular responsibility in this.
Thank you very much.